You can easily fix the P219F engine code by replacing the spark plugs. This means that the PCM has detected the air-fuel mixture in the number 4 cylinder is significantly different from the other cylinders. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. Spark plugs. A spark plug is a crucial component in a gasoline engine that ignites the air-fuel mixture inside the engine's cylinders by producing a spark. Typically, spark plugs in 4-cylinder engines are relocated on the engine's top or side in a row. Spark plugs and inline 6-cylinder engines are usually located on the top or side of the engine head. Faulty spark plugs can result in an increase in exhaust emissions and poor acceleration while driving. If your spark plugs are completely dysfunctional, your car will not be able to start. Here is one method to fix the spark plug. Adjust the spark plug. The spark plugs are located at the engine end of the wires under the plug covers that attach them. First, carefully remove the spark plug. Use the spark plug gapper to check the spacing of this spark plug. Normally, spacing should be between 0.024 to 0.071 inches. As you see, the spacing of this spark plug is a bit low. Use the spark plug gapper to increase the spacing back to the normal range. But if you see there is obvious damage on the spark plug, just simply replace it with a new one. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Alfa Romeo, Hyundai, Honda, Subaru, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.